welcome to today's episode. Today we'll be talking about our sample offerings. Whether you are an architect or a designer, we can help get you and your clients a variety of samples. First off, we have our small mock-up panels, which is a scaled down representation of our Unity system. First, we offer it in different materials such as Ceramitex, Alumitex Plate, and a mix board. It's showing off that our attachment system, regardless of the material on the front, is exactly the same for each project. With the plexi backing, it gives you the ability to see behind the system and see the attachment clips. For Ceramitex, we offer small samples of the face material to help with color selections. We also have full color charts available so you can select the colors that will work best for your projects. Sometimes you may need a larger sample for product approval, and we can work with you to arrange those as well. A color chart is available for our Alumitex ACM samples to assist you in narrowing down your search prior to sending some hard samples. Our Alumitex Plate, since it's a post-painted product, is supplied in a silver 2-coat mica, but we will provide paint chips for the color that you are looking for. Also available is our Stonetex samples, which are small pieces of natural granite. Don't forget that we have a full library of brochures and spec sheets, etc. for all of our products in digital and print versions. We can ship directly to you or the client, whatever works best for you. You can see our full range of colors and products on our website at Elemex.com. For more information about our sample program, please contact us at info@elemex.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.